Star player. This is Mr. Arul. Oh. Good morning mga kapitbahay. Dito tayo sa area ng Jadap. Pinunta natin mga kaibigan nating naglalaro ng crickets. Ano natin mamaya? Itong lugar kung saan sila naglalaro ng cricket. Mga grupo-grupo yan. Beta natin. Join tayo sa playground nila. Ayan. Break time eh. So, tignan natin kung masubukan natin pumalo. Ayan. Dito sa mga kaibigan. Hi, how are you? North Canara.
Yeah, North Canada.
Shooting. Ay, what? That's another team playing. Nakakatuwa naman. Ito ang line nila. Ayan. Mas dami na naglalaro. Akala mo metro. Ayan. Intersection. Papunta dyan. Ayan ang line niya. Ito. Line ito sa kabila. Ayan naman. Pag bumalik ka rito, ito naman line nung yun, ito yan, grupo niya. Galing, kakatuwa. Ayan. Ito, team nila. Team ni Sachin.
Hey guys!
Team Sachin! So 11 members, 11 people are playing right now.
Yes.
Right. So you're competing with whom?
Without it.
What is your team?
Caps.
Caps? Caps, what is that?
No, it's a personal team, not company.
Okay. And that one is called, how you call this guy?
Toro.
Batter?
Batsman. Yeah.
Batsman.
Batsman.
And the guy who throw?
Bowler.
Bowler, yeah.
Yeah, 3 over 16. 16.
You have the ball here?
1-6, 1-6.
Okay. Ang sarap maglaro. Parang type kong maglaro Sama tayo mamaya.
Total 96 balls.
Huh?
96 balls.
96
Balls.
ball.
So one throw, no? It's called one ball.
Okay. So
Total 96 throws.
so only one guy is getting tired.
No, actually 6 balls. One,
Yeah.
one guy.
Can you show me how to hold this?
How to hold the bat.
Yeah, how to hold the bat?
Start on team, huh?
Okay. Really? Arul? Oh, Arul, congratulations. Star player. This is Mr. Arul. Oh, I'm glad I meet you. Yeah.
It's
So this is
Yeah.
this one, this the ball.
Yeah.
Right side.
So yes. Yep.
Like this.
What? Yeah.
What?
Yes.
See, look at that.
Yeah.
It's too heavy. How many kg of this?
Maybe 3.
3 kg. Okay.
Oh, 1. Sorry. 1.5. 1.
1.5 kg.
Yeah.
And where's the ball?
Ball. The loga ball.
No, no. This.
No, he's going to take the ball.
27.
So there's a ball.
Oh, catch.
Yes.
This is the way how you hold, right?
Yeah.
Yan, ganyan dito mga kapitbahay. Every weekend, mostly Sunday morning, andito yung mga yan. Mga naglalaro dito. Sige, see you. Maraming salamat. At magandang umaga sa inyo lahat mga kapitbahay. Salamat mga kapitbahay sa panonood. At dito pa rin tayo sa cricket area natin dito sa mga kaibigan natin. Yan tayo. Bye! Ciao, ciao, ciao!